think before you speak. That could be the reason, guys, to some of you. That's why people left you behind. You might not realizing that you might say something that offended people or hurt. You might kind of person that always I don't know, you always speak the truth to some of you here, very specific. You might speak the truth, but it hurt people here. So yes, you have to be more be careful. Be careful of any words that you just, you just said. I know so many people are too serious about it, and like again, you might be too childish, and you don't think before you speak to some of you. So like again, guys, that could be the answer. That could be the reason why people left you, or very specific, someone left you because you might offended somebody here. So do not get drawn into arguments or